Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 8th, 2023. It's war day number 623. 623 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back. And in this daily newspaper, I've already solved one regular puzzle. It's the medium Sudoku. So it's time now for the regular jigsaw Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And let me solve this one. This will be number 7411. 7411. And yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one. I think it's a 1 or 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, I need to my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. I think it's a 2 stars. We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes here. Well, dual boxes then. I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. No dual boxes. I see the next question is, do we have here triple boxes? See here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2 and 3. Let me mark these 2 boxes, the 2 and the 3. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 5 there, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Right now, insufficient information. More quadra boxes. Let me check. No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. We have more. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? I see here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do you have more L shapes in this puzzle here? Another one. This box has the same number as that box. I overlooked this one, the previous shape. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Overlooked. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here in this puzzle only 2 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 1 and 3. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and the 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here. Could be there. Well, this box can be a 3. That means that the 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, then I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So the only place level 3 should be here. This can be a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so a 3. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. This box can be a 4. Oh, wait. This box can be 4. This box can be a 3. Same for here. This box can be 3. This box can be a 4. So the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this W area shape should be the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. Is connected with that box with 2 and 5. Is connected with that box with 2 and 5. This is also connected with that box with a 3 and a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4. It's in the quadra box. So in the quadra box, there's no 5 there. So definitely a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That means that the 3 in this area should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that box can be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box should be a 2, definitely. And that box should be a 3. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 2 here, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. Then 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then come on. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area. For the 5. This box can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If we place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for 4 in this area should be here. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Okay, and now these 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. Then. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I've marked this box with 2 or a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be also 2. That means that this box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 2 could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 2. Because if I place a 2 here, then this box is connected with that box should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. So not the solution placed 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Okay. Okay. Now. Well. 3 to 4. Let me think. 3, 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think this box should be a 1 because if I place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left. The 3 and a 5 is connected with that box should be so 3 and a 5. Okay. This box cannot be 3 or 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there, so the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Well, 1, 2, 3. This box is connected with that box should be so 1 or a 4, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 4, is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area should be here. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1. Oh, we have a 1 here. So it can be 1 anymore there. The 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 5. No. Need to wait. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 4. Okay. 3 and a 4. Well, I need to wait here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box should be here. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. These 2 boxes, so 1 and 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Then this box can be I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And I've marked this box with 3 or a 4. Well, we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also 4. 1 box left in this W area, same for number 3. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Is connected with that box should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so and that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 goes there, finishes in 17 minutes. Wow. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes. Definitely 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.